Okay, we're back. We had a little intermission there. So now we're back on the part of our session here where now I'm going to take everything that you gave me, where you told me like really what you want to do. So we know where you're at and we know where you want to go. So now I'm going to make you aware of like what I think you should do to get from where you are now to where you want to go. I'm going to make you aware of a path that you can take, a different path than you're on right now. And so far, I kind of gave you some adjustments that you can make for your finances.
Yes.
Right? So that's me basically saying, so Dong is here and wants to go here, and Dong is operating on a path right here that's kind of like a little bit of a longer path, but then I told you some things you can adjust to have a quicker path, right? So that was the finances, but now we're talking about the business side of it. So here's some things that if I were you, here's how I would operate to get from here to here a lot faster, okay? So here's some ideas. So now I'm going to show you this. Now first I want to show you some of the niche research I did, the research into the market so you can see what's really happening here and see what the demand is. Because with any business, it's key to understand supply and demand, okay? If there's no demand, you don't sell nothing. If you have demand but too much supply, then it's hard to sell anything, right? You need to have high demand, but you don't want to have, too much supply if you can. So if there is lots of supply, well, then you got to find a really unique angle or fresh angle. But anyways, so I want to show you something that's going to show that your market has high demand and low supply, okay? So, which is good news for you because you need that to be successful in business. Now, I'm going to show you this. So here's some market research. I thought this was very interesting, okay? And here's what we have. This is a website here, and it says this. It basically says, okay, spotlight for careers, okay? Spotlight. It says, let me scroll down a little bit. Oh, it says, the hottest, most in-demand software engineering skill is currently mobile application development because of exploding growth in mobile networks, phones and e-commerce, or phones and commerce. By 2017, the global mobile app market will be worth $77 billion. According to the University of Alabama at Birmingham, and the mobile web market will be worth $850 billion by 2018. We're in 2018 now.
2019.
2019. Yeah, my bad. I'm a year behind. Okay. So right now the mobile web market will be worth around $850 billion by 2018, says mobile industry consulting firm Dig Capital. As a result, mobile application developers possesses skills that companies want. Below is a list of 3 spotlight careers in the software engineering field and their corresponding salary figures according to Robert Half Technology Survey. So basically what that's saying is that the mobile application development is exploding. So current mobile application development, the hottest, most in demand software engineering skill is currently mobile application development. Okay. So mobile application development. So what does that mean, Dong? That means knowing how to make an app, right?
Yes.
Okay. So knowing to make an app. So basically saying is that if you know how to make an app, you have a skill that's in demand that companies want, right?
Yes.
So what's the key to business? You want to sell what's selling, right? Okay. So now here's a question for you. If these businesses are in demand, it says mobile industry consulting, as a result, mobile application developers possess skills that companies want. So that means that these companies want to hire these mobile app developers. The question is, who's going to train them in? Who's going to give them the teaching? Who's going to give them the skill? And imagine this, if they have the skill, who's going to teach them how to get the job? Right. So because there's going to be a lot of competition, because companies got to pick who they're going to hire. So just because you have the skill doesn't mean you get picked. So there's two problems there. There's two problems. One, the first problem is this, is that the companies there's high demand for the mobile application developers. Okay, that's one problem. There's not enough quality people there. And there's not enough training being provided for these people. It's new, right? There's not enough training. And like, for example, there's no training in the college where you're at, so you have to go teach, you see? So there's not enough people teaching this. So it has to be outsourced. The second problem is this, is that when these coders want to learn mobile application development, how are they going to make sure that they actually get picked? So they might spend a year of their life studying code, but what if they just can't get the job because they're not good with people skills, or they don't know how to handle the interview process? So now they spend years of their life trying to get this job, and they have the skills, but now they just can't get hired. Right? That's a big problem. If I spent a year of my life trying to get the skill, and I don't get the job, I get turned down 5 times in a row, I'm going to get depressed and sad. I'm going to be upset. I spent thousands of dollars of my money to learn a course, and then thousands of hours of my time, and now I can't even get the job. What the hell? That would suck. So there's two big problems right there that people are willing to pay for. The third problem is this. If these businesses, if these companies could just go to a website and find somebody that's already certified and that's well trusted, then they can just go to a website and pick somebody and just hire somebody on board. So these companies, they have to risk finding an employee to hire someone, right? So if these companies could actually go to a trusted company that personally trained in someone that's certified, then the company could go. Then the company that's looking for an employee could go to a trusted company and say, "Hey, who's your best employees you got? Who best matches our service, our company, our brand?" And then that leader of that company can say, "Well, let me look into my student database and see who's best for you." So there's a third problem there. The third problem is that these companies, they're going to end up wasting a lot of money hiring the wrong people.
Yes.
All right, so those are 3 things to consider in your business plan based off what the market's telling us. And 3 potential services you could provide. Now look at this. Now here are the positions. Mobile application developer, quality assurance engineer, applications architect. Okay. Software engineer job growth prospects and outlook. What do related occupations make? Computer hardware engineer, computer programmer, web developer. Okay. Boom, boom. Median salary is around it says 90% median salary. Median salary is like around 75K. Okay, high percent is around 100K, right? That's a pretty good pay for a job, right? So basically somebody's making like what, $30 an hour, right? They're making a lot of money. They're doing pretty good. They're basically, yeah. And this is probably more the US. And then this is other numbers to look at. Systems, tech. So business intelligence, computer systems administrator. This is all other stuff that's not really related to what we're doing. Software engineering degree and career resources, blah, blah. That doesn't matter. But basically what we're looking at is mobile application developer. That's the big one. Let's see if there's anything else on here. That was basically it. Software engineering process, blah, blah, blah. No, that none of this stuff. So, but yeah, so I want to ask you, so this, so as a coder, like, you know how to make an app, right?
Yes.
So my question is, I'm making you dizzy, sorry. This mobile application developer, like what is that exactly? Like, does that fit under like something that you do for software developing? The mobile application developer. Does that fit under like what of your area of expertise?
Yes. Yes.
Now, are you sure now? Is this something like what it says? Like when you look at this, is this, when you read this, mobile application developers employ languages and platforms such as JavaScript, Net,
Yes, yes.
Object-C,
I also know that. I
build.
mean, it was.
Oh, and to build applications and websites for mobile devices, iPhone, iPad, Samsung, working with mobile operation systems such as iOS, Android, developer, design, code, test, debug, and document the mobile application develop process. A degree in computer science or computer engineering is required in today's mobile-first world. The increasing demand of personal enterprise mobile apps has led to crushing need. Look at this. Listen to this. Debbie, stop changing your headphone. It was perfect last time. It was fine. Go back. Don't do that. Go back. That was the best thing you've ever had. Go back to the last headphone you had. Okay.
Huh? I didn't do anything.
I thought you changed your microphone. Look, watch this. A degree in computer science or computer engineering is recommended. In today's mobile-first world, the increasing demand for personal and enterprise mobile apps has led to crushing need for developers. Crushing need. Okay? Demand is very high. They're basically saying is they need more developers than there's actually available. Projects by the end of 2017, the market demand will outpace available talent. Debbie, are you seeing this? This is very important. Okay. In projects by the end of 2017, the market demand will outpace available talent for enterprise mobile app developers by at least 5 to 1. Mm-hmm. Damn! You know what that means, Dong? Dong, what does that mean?
Kind of, we have a very high chance to have the training cost for the mobile developer.
What's that? Say that again.
I mean, it's very good opportunity for us to open the cost for the mobile developer.
Right. Well, basically, yeah. What it's basically saying is that the mobile market is increasing demand for personal and enterprise mobile apps. The increasing demand for mobile apps has led to crushing need for developers. Okay? By the end of 2017, the market demand will outpace available talent for enterprise mobile app developers by at least 5 to 1. That basically says that there'll be 5 companies that need a developer, and there'll only be one available. So that's basically saying is that the supply is short, is small, there's only one, and the demand is high, meaning there's 5 developers. So if you want to draw on your piece of paper, why don't you draw, 4 squares, right, in a line, and then draw in front of that in the middle a circle, and then have a line all pointing to the circle. That's the demand and supply. So look at the demand is the square boxes, and the small circle is the supply.
Yes.
So that basically saying is that we need developers. We need somebody to teach these people. We need.
Yes.
Yeah. So now you see that there's demand for somebody to teach people to become developers. So then the businesses can hire people. So there you go.
Yes.
So there's demand for that right now. It's big. Okay, it's very, very key. That means that it's something to sell. You feel so you have the developers, and then you have the companies, right? Well, these people want to learn how to do. These people want to learn apps, but they don't know how. And then over here, these companies need mobile app developers. So you come right in the middle, and you fill that void, that problem, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Money. Okay, now watch this. Okay, you see this right here? This is called a keyword tool. Now look. Okay, now look at this. So this is a keyword tool. It's from SEObook.com. Keyword tool. It's a free tool anybody can use. All right, now look. How to code, 11,000 a month. How to scan, 7,000, 7,000, 4,000, 3,000, 2,000, How to make a QR code. Da-da-da-da-da-da. How to learn, I don't even know what all this means. How to learn coding, 1,000. How to scan, how to learn code. How to read code, 400. How to read barcodes, code. How to get free Xbox Live Gold membership codes. I don't know what that is. How to program Universal Remote without codes. Okay. How to code apps. How to learn how to write code. How to code Android. How to make code. How to create a QR code. How to unlock Android phone without code. How to change code on a garage door opener. Well, that's interesting. How to get free. The point is, look at all this codes. This is people want to learn how to code. You see where I'm going with this? Look at this. It doesn't end.
So this is on the keywords, right?
Yeah, how to learn computer coding. Okay, how to code CSS, how to practice coding, how to do Java code, how to read a UPS code, how to read a barcode. We can keep going all day. How to read tire size codes? That doesn't apply to you. These are the things that people are searching on a daily basis. How to break codes, how to unlock a P code, whatever that is. How to get a free Wi point code. That doesn't apply to you. Code. I mean, see? We're about halfway down the page, by the way. We're going to keep going here. And not all these are going to apply to you, but a lot of them. Look at this. How to code in Visual Basic, how to code review, how to comment out HTML code. What does that even mean? Do you know what that means? How to comment out.
I know.
So this
Go
ahead.
It means how you put the code in the HTML, but you don't want it to be executed. Command just so the computer, the web browser will ignore that code. So we call. I understand that meaning.
Okay, that's good because I don't. I'm not qualified to teach this, but you are, right? I can't do this business, but you can. But I can teach you how to build it. And watch this. So look at this. How to debug code. How to decipher code. Look at this. You could literally make a YouTube video for every single one of these if you wanted to. Look at this. How to edit code. How to edit source code in Chrome. Is that possible?
Yes.
How to display HTML code as text. That's easy to do, right?
Yes. Easy job.
About 20 results. It's pretty easy. Okay. It doesn't matter right now. Okay. So, code. How to edit source code in Chrome. How to find factory code for keyless entry. How to get certified in medical coding. How to become a medical billing and coding specialist. How to do billing code.
How to code with JavaScript. That a course.
How to code. How to get. Yeah, how to get a QR code from our website. What the hell is that?
It's very simple. Pretty simple.
Yeah, I don't know what that even means.
You have the website URL, and now you create a QR code to contain that information.
Right. How to write code for games. How to get it just going and going. It just doesn't end. Look at this. Okay. People want to learn how to do this stuff. It just keeps going. Okay, and going.
So the idea on it is we try to use this kind of tool to see the demand, and we can.
Well, right now I'm just showing you what people are searching for.
Yes.
How to copy HTML code from a website.
Very simple.
I know how to do that one. Okay. I'm just showing you what people are searching on Google and YouTube. Because when you know what people are searching, then you know what content to make them.
Yes, you're right.
And then if you can get exactly, you need that's the founding building block for your business. Because if you can't get in front of anybody, then you can't sell anything.
Yes.
How to edit source code in WordPress?
Yes, that's a cost.
how to enter. I mean, there's so many. Keep going. I mean, this keeps going and going and going. Oh, we reached the end. Okay, now watch. There's more though. How to make an app. Remember the demand? Remember the demand that we talked about?
Yeah.
Every month, there's 36,778 people that are searching on the internet how to make an app. Okay. You guys remember this? Okay, I have a question for you. Now, be honest now. Can you help somebody make an app?
Excuse me, can you ask me again?
Can you help somebody make an app?
Yes, yes. But it kind of very general question. App here can be a mobile app, web application, a desktop application.
Right. Very, very smart answer. Correct. Right. You're right. You're right. You have to be exactly. It have to be more specific. But this key right here is just showing you like the overall demand of the market, right?
Yes, yes.
But now look, now we have more keywords here. How to make an Android app.
Yeah.
Okay. See, imagine this. Imagine if you had a course, you were selling it for like, I don't know, $500, for example. I don't know. Imagine it's $500, right? And there's 40,000, 50,000 people a month trying to figure out how to make an app. And you have a course you sell them for $500, right? All you got to do is sell like if you sell one a day for $500, you're at $15,000 a month. Just one a day. One course a day at $500 a pop, you're at 15 grand a month.
15.
15 grand. A $500 course that teaches you how to make an app. That's amazing. If you sold one a day, that's $500 a day. Okay? And that's 15 grand a month.
You don't get it?
Yeah. Can you explain again?
Okay, so you create a course and the course costs $500. Okay, so in 1 month there are 30 days. So if you just sell one course a day, 500 times 30 is 15,000.
Okay. It means we can create multiple courses, right?
No, you create one course for starting. You create one course that the price is $500.
Okay.
So to be able to reach 15,000, you only need to sell one course in a day to be able to reach 15,000.
Okay. It means one in a day, so 30 days multiply with 5,000, right? With 30 days with 500.
Yeah, 15,000.
Yes.
So you take 500 times 30 days.
I got that. Yeah.
That's it. That's it. There's 30 people. 30 people out of like, I mean, you add up all the numbers. Like, look at this. You have the people that are trying to learn code, right? And the people that are trying to learn apps is somewhat kind of similar, but this is more specific on apps. So you have around probably, 50,000 people a month or more that are trying to learn how to make an app. So, yeah. And if you only sold 30, you'd be making 15 grand a month. There you go. Does it sound hard to do?
It's just one course.
Just one course. Okay. Now watch. Now look at this now. Now watch now, okay? How to make your own app. How to make an Android app. How to make apps. How to make an iPhone app. How to make a game app. How much does it cost to make an app? Okay. This person wants to make an app, right? They're trying to figure out how much money it's going to cost them. How to make an app for free, how to make Android apps, how to make apps download faster, how to make an app for iPhone, how to make an app for Android, how to make a Twitter private app, whatever that is, how to make a mobile app, and then it just keeps going, how to make an app for free, how to create an app and make money, how to make an Apple app, how to make my own app, how to make iOS apps, how to make an iPhone app, how to make money with apps. So it'd be really cool if you could create a course that would teach somebody how to make an app, but how to monetize the app.
Yes.
And then monetize it to almost like turn it into a business and then teach them how to sell the app.
Yes.
Or also teach the person how to make an app for a business and then teach them how to sell that app to a business. That would be cool. Right? So now you're teaching somebody how to make an app, but you're teaching them how to do it for financial gain. I'm going to teach you how to make an app, but I'm going to also teach you about business so that when you make an app, you can monetize it for yourself, or two, you can make an app and sell it to a business, right? So make it for yourself or sell it to somebody else. That'd be pretty cool. That's because people then that'd be awesome. And if you did that, then you could probably sell a course for $1,000 because then they can actually make money with the app. You see? So now you go from selling a course from $500 to $1,000, and now if you sell one every day and all you did was increase your price point, now you're still selling one a day. It's 15 courses times 30, right? And I'm sorry, it's one a day. So it's still now it's 30 courses times 30, right? So now you're making $30,000 a month, and all you did was double your price, right? So so look at this: how to make an app for iPhone, how to make it money app, how much it costs. So yeah, we kind of went through these. How to make a playlist on YouTube app, blah blah. How to make a game on the App Store. How to make your own game app for free. So people want to learn game apps, all kinds of things. So how to make an app for your business. So you could teach a business owner how to make their own app. So look, hey, I have an app course that teaches you how to make an app, but with my course, I teach you how to make an app for your business. I teach you how to make an app to make money for yourself, and I teach you how to make an app and how to sell the app. That'd be cool. So there's a few different angles to go at it with your course. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you there. And then also I saw this here. It says software engineer. I forgot to show this to you. Software engineer makes $71K to $145K. Software engineer makes $50 to $124K or $65 to $136K. So that's software developer, software engineer, right? So I'm guessing it's a lot different here in the US, right? Look at that. So you are not getting paid what you're worth. If you were in the United States, you'd be making about
80,000 US dollar per month per year.
Right. Yeah. If you were in the United States right now, you'd be making you would be making about 7 times what you're making now. If you're in the United States, what you make in a week, you'd make in one day. Yeah. Okay, so look at this. How much do software engineers make? Okay. Let's look at here. Look at there. See? Average salary software engineer. First 5 years, 77 grand. Mid-career, 510, 91,000. Experience, 10 to 20 grand, 100,000. Late career, 110,000. Okay. So right now you're working for free because you're a nice guy, right? Sorry, I'm just being sarcastic, but you have a really valuable skill, my friend. Okay, so there's that. What else? Is there anything else on here? Okay, look at here. So metropolitan areas with the highest employment level of applications for software developers. Look at this. New York for software developers. Employment in New York for software developers is 57,000 software developers in New York. The annual salary for that is 117,000 for a software developer. That's nuts. Look at this. In San Jose, Sunnyvale, Clare, California, they have 48,000 software developers. And the average salary is 132,000 a year. Seattle, Washington, 47,000 software developers, 133,000 a year. San Jose, City South Division, San Francisco, they have around 30,000 developers, 147,000 a year. Washington, okay, 28,000 software developers and 115,000 a year. I mean, look at this. I mean, this is nuts. It just keeps going. I mean, so there you go. You have a good idea of what we're dealing with here. So this market is no joke. This market's no joke. It kind of reminds me of Debbie's market in a way. Debbie's market is an emerging career path. Debbie's market is maybe not quite as in demand as the mobile app, or it actually might be about equal because you need a UX designer to help make it a good app. So they kind of go hand in hand in a way. So both of you are in a high demand position with low supply. Okay. What do I mean?
Yes.
What I mean is that, so demand means how much somebody wants something. Like how bad do you want it is demand. So when they say that there is 5 business owners that need a coder, but then there's only 1 coder available, that means the demand is high. There's 5 people that want a coder, but there's only 1 in the room. The demand's high. They all want a coder bad. They're all fighting over 1 coder or 1 app developer. That's demand. Now, if it was only one, now let's say, for example, there's 5 people in the room and only 1 of them wanted a web developer or app developer, then demand's not very high, but everybody wants one. It's high demand. Okay? People want it. Everybody want to buy it. Supply means how much is available. So, for example, if there's 5 businesses in the room and they all want a software developer, but then there's 100 of them in the room, then that means that the supply is too much. That means there's too many options, and then everybody's fighting over a job. You see? So that means high supply. So you have 100 web developers or 100 software developers in a room with only 5 businesses in a room. That means the supply is very high. There's a lot of developers, but there's only a few of the businesses, right? So the supply is too high. But in your situation, for where you're at, your situation is this. As we read, that the demand for software developers is very high because there's not enough of them available for the businesses that need developers to make their apps, right?
Yeah.
So that means that there's a high demand, meaning a lot of businesses need developers, but then there's low supply, meaning there's not enough of them.
Yes.
See? So it creates a problem in the market. When there's a high demand, but low supply, it creates a problem, right? It's kind of like if you haven't ate food in 3 days, right? You're hungry, you're demanding to eat. But then there's only 1 grocery store and it's 100 miles away. Well, there's no supply. So now you have a problem. You have high demand and no supply of grocery store. You see? So yeah, anyways. So hopefully that makes sense. Did that make sense?
Yes.
Yeah. I have some talk.
Go ahead.
I have some talk. Actually, the mobile app market is very, very big. You know why?
Why?
Like super, super big. So there are 3 possibilities how Dong can do this. The first one is if you're just teaching like an online course for a mobile app, there are so many supply that is actually doing that already, correct?
Yes. Yes.
But if you incorporate the UX inside the mobile app, how to build a mobile app with a very strong UX, and then how to monetize the app. For example, the flash deals, the marketplace, the freemium model, and there are different way of monetizing the app and also building like great user experience inside the app. Then you can build a high added value. So that is the first business model. The second business model, one of my friend is an entrepreneur in Indonesia, okay, and then he created a platform for drag and drop software for building a mobile app by your own. Okay, but the problem with my friend's business is that the UX is so bad. But I think you can do it better. So if you create like a drag and drop software to help people to build their own mobile app, you can actually charge them like a monthly fee or like a stipend.
Exactly. Yep.
That is the second business idea. The third business idea is that when you created all these courses, how to make a mobile app, right? And you incorporate a lot of UX context there. If you just simply making one mobile app after another, just based on the coding, it will be per project basis. Per project basis means you have to do this based on the everyone's request. Okay, but if you create like a standardized element, and then you create like an app, for example, an app for booking a taxi, an app for ordering food, an app for what else? Booking a flight or something like that. So there are different type of app. Then you change all this app into a template, and then you can sell it on the marketplace. So now you have multiple source of income, because when you teach people how to create an app, you also create so many templates that you can sell on the marketplace. And you basically, after you do that, you get like a passive income. Yeah, but the tricky part for that is that you need to make the app incorporated with the UX, so that every element have a great experience, so that people want to buy. If your app is really like a mediocre, it's already a lot in the marketplace. Okay? And you can sell two ways. So the first way is you just sell the back end.
Yes.
The second way is you incorporate the design as well. So you create like the full template that when people download that, they can customize and then can plug in straight away to App Store and Google Play.
I got that. Yeah, very good idea.
Bingo.
So you make a lot of money.
So the one way to go about it is exactly, yep. So Debbie, it's about time Debbie actually cuts me off before I have to say something. Good.
Actually, I'm so sleepy, but no.
Yep, it's perfect. So what she's saying is there's a software model that you can incorporate into the business.
Yes.
And basically what she's saying is what you can do is that you can just create like for example, how they have it now for websites, they have it to where you can get a customizable theme, right? If you could create some kind of like special customizable template for an app, and then people could like design an app fairly quickly, and then you would shortcut the process, right? And then they wouldn't have to learn so much code, maybe, right? You could streamline it, and but then that's interesting because that would have to get trademarked, or you would have to get some kind of so that somebody can't copy you. You'd have to get some kind of licensing or some kind of patent on that, to where somebody can't copy exactly what you're making. You know what I mean? So if you create, yeah, because I don't want nobody to rip you off. Because what you could do is then, if you create something that's then for example, like Debbie was saying, you could create because there's certain apps, just for business, every business has like an opt-in page for a lead. Every business has a sales page for a product. Every business has a checkout page. So for business, you could create a framework that you can edit those pages. You could create a framework for the opt-in, a framework for the sales, a framework for the checkout page. A framework is customizable, so then any business could use those three frameworks. So Debbie's basically saying the same thing for the app, is that you create these basic frameworks that people need, and then they can just kind of go in there and adjust it for their own personal purposes. So maybe, for example, there's a startup taxi company or something, and they want their own app. Well, they see your service. They could, hey, do you want to go pay somebody $5,000 to make your app, or do you want to use my software and customize your own app for your business and put your own business logo in there right now? Boom. How would you like to have your own app for your business within the next 3 hours, and your logo will be on the app ready and done? That'd be nuts. But the problem though, if you did that, then you almost kill the need for people to take your course.
They still need to take the course, because no matter how great the template is, they need to customize it for their business.
Right.
It means they need to understand so they can customize.
Right.
Correct. And you can create like a package. So for example, online course probably cost you like $500, right? But like with $700 or $800, they get like one-to-one strategy session or coaching with you once in a while, for example, or getting like a template or framework that they can apply that for their business as well.
Okay. So we're getting ahead of it, but these are all good ideas. This is great. Exactly. Now there's a lot more to share. I'm just getting started. Now we're going to show you what people are already doing. So you're getting some ideas now, okay? So we're showing you what's going on, okay? So there's massive demand, okay? And you're in a position where you have a skill and you're with two people. I can reverse engineer any business and tell you exactly what they're doing right and doing wrong. And Debbie's very good at design and making websites look really fancy, okay? So you put them together, you have the best combination of two worlds, all right? Okay, now let's get into this. What was I going to say? Yeah. Now the key though, when you're starting a business, the key is we got to figure out where we're going to start, where it's easy for you to make money as fast as possible, right?
Yeah.
We want to go. So, for example, the software thing might be the best idea. Maybe they may make the most money, but that might take the longest to get started. You see? So the key is how can we get started now, right? So with the software, that's exactly. I was literally like thinking the exact same thing. Is the software because that's where the money is. The SaaS, they're making the software. So me and my client for Front Gunner, we plan on making our own software for salespeople where they can track all their sales numbers by putting in just a few numbers and it will automatically calculate their percentages. Anyways, so software is where it's at. That's big money. Because for example, if you charge somebody, me and Debbie had this conversation earlier today with somebody else. I don't know if it should be name dropping, but we had a conversation earlier about somebody else in the gardening niche. There's a guy that has a gardening software, okay? And he probably has like, and it's only $30 for a year. And it literally tells you when the crop, when the harvest, it tells you how to design your garden and everything on a software. It's $30 for the year. The guy probably has like, 10,000 people on this software, giving him $30 a year or even more. It's crazy. And he doesn't do anything. He just sits out in Europe on vacation at Liverpool. Just kidding. Okay, now let's get back to it. Okay, so now I want to show you some people that are doing this. Okay. Okay. Now pay very close attention here. I'm going to show you people that are doing this, and they're not that good. Okay, and you can do the exact same thing. Okay, now watch. So there's a guy right here. Okay, his name is. It's called. I'll pull up a screen share. Now watch. I'm gonna go through this quick, and in the future, if we all end up working together, I will sit down with you for a couple. I will sit down and I'll break apart everything in great detail. But I'm gonna just give you a quick overview so you can see this. So you want to do what's working in business. You want to do what's proven to work. You want to do what's proven to make money. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. There's nothing for us to figure out. We sell what's selling. That's it. I found Debbie. I saw Debbie. I saw somebody else selling what she's selling, but they suck at it. And I just redesigned Debbie's brand to be 10 times better so she can sell 10 times more stuff.
Wow.
So we're just going to sell what's selling, but just do it better, right? So, okay, so now let's look at this. Okay, so now we're going to screen share, and I'll watch. We're going to go quickly through this. Okay, and unfortunately, I can't fit us in here on the recording, but I'll just put us off to the side for now. So just watch me. Okay, I'm going to try to record what I can with this little box. So here's a YouTube video. It's called How to Make an App for Beginners. This guy has 230,000 subscribers. It's called Code with Chris. This is one of the competitors in the marketplace, or it could be one of your JV partners. So this is Code with Chris, and basically he has a bunch of coding videos, all right? And he has a coding community, and he's selling products on Amazon. He has books on Amazon here. So, or he's on Amazon. He's 2 audiobooks that he has. He's a free trial for audiobooks on Amazon. So he's selling audiobooks on Amazon. Okay. 230,000 subscribers. Now I want to show you, look at his YouTube channel. Okay, look at this. His videos, 1.7 million views, 600,000 views, 550,000 views, 520,000 views, 460,000 views.
Wow.
340,000 views, 297,000 views, 270,000, 260,000. You get the idea. Okay. So, let's move on. Now look at this. Now here's what he's selling. He has a free course. It's a free course. You sign up for a 7-day app action plan course. An email course that takes you from zero to having a customized action plan to build your app for free. It's a free 7-day course. Okay. Okay, get started. Why is he giving away a free course? Why is he giving away a free course? Why? I'll tell you why. This is the strategy, okay? It's called educational-based marketing. And what that means is you're educating people and you're marketing to them and you're giving them incomplete content. You're teaching them enough, but leaving it incomplete so then you can sell them a course that will complete the incomplete loop, right? So they'll know just enough, but then they need the course to learn everything, right? So the 7-day course is to pre-sell them on the course that he's going to sell. The 7-day course is made to create demand for his product that he plans on selling them. Make sense? Does it make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Now, and this is the kind of things that I teach you how to do. So basically what he's doing here is what kind of like what I did for my client right here. So we have a website and we have a plan to make people want what we have, and they're going to ask us for it without us even telling them what we have. They're going to be like, "What are you selling? Sell it to us," because they want it so bad. So look here. So now here's what he's selling. Okay. It's a beginner course, iOS training that actually pays off. Take me to the enrollment page. This is a sales page. So you want to make an app, but it's been a struggle because you find a lot of iOS resources outdated, inaccurate. You're unable to build your skills progressively. You followed a bunch of different tutorials and you built a bunch of working demos, but you still don't have any idea how to start your own app idea. You've been able to find tutorials for the features you need for your app, but the materials just goes way over your head. You always have questions, but you don't have anywhere to ask and get the answers you need. They say things like, "It's just too hard. I followed all the tutorial steps exactly, but I still get all these errors. I don't know how to debug." The tutorials assume you understand certain concepts already and don't give you any explanations. Anything after that stops making sense. I often don't know where to start. I'm not sure how to look for what I need when I don't even know what it's called. So this is the problems people typically have when making an app. Okay, learning how to build apps requires systematic approach, right? His course will teach you that. Secret number 2, most apps are just a collection of a handful of patterns. It's a ruse, right? Here's a sales page. So if you've been trying to learn app development by floating from tutorial to tutorial, I'm terribly sorry to say you've been wasting your time. Because you didn't have a system for learning. You weren't taught how to look for patterns and build that foundation. With my course kit, you can finally become a confident iOS developer that designs ideas that can bridge the gap code to implementation. Okay. Ultimately, your iOS skills, and build workable apps. To land the iOS developer job, make money. To bring your ideas to life and make a difference. To enhance your personal skills and add value to your business or job. To fulfill your passion and have a skill for your future. My course kit gets you the vital technical skills. Even if you've never coded before and don't know where to start. Even if you followed many tutorials before and never got close to building the app you really want. Let me introduce myself before I continue. I'm Chris. I've been coding for 15 years. How long have you been coding for? About 10? Yeah, you're probably qualified, I would think. All right. So, hello, I'm Chris. After working in technical consulting for 7 years building apps for businesses, that's exactly what you're doing. You're building apps for like businesses, basically, right? Product developing. Fast forward 5 years later, I have over 130 YouTube subscribers, 275 views a month. 275,000 views a month. My students have gone on to land iOS developer jobs. My students build businesses around apps and fulfill lifelong dreams of building apps to help others. Here I am, Kobe Chris. Over 4,135 students have taken my course, and here's what they're saying. 4,135 students. Okay? So 4,135 students. And the funny thing is, guess what? We just looked at the market, and this month, there's been over 50,000 people that are searching how to make an app. So even though Chris is here, people still need help because the demand is so high.
Yes.
Okay. Students are saying, here's what students are saying. This course was the changing point in my attempt to learn iOS development. Although I have a programmer background, PLSQL, and had read the entire Swift manual, I was still at a loss on how to put things to practice. The Code with Chris course pulled everything together for me in a clear and fun way. I recently released, look at this, there's a sale. Edward recently enrolled in iOS complete course. Somebody just bought his course literally right now in the call. See that? He just made money. Somebody just bought his course. See that? He just made money. And he's probably sleeping right now. Chris is probably sleeping. He just made some money. Anyways, I recently, the Code with Chris course pulled everything together for me in a clear and fun way. I recently released my first iPhone app, and I owe most of that to what I learned in this course. Thank you so much for creating such a user-friendly, easy-to-understand course, Franklin. Okay, can you do that? Can you help somebody make an app?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, and then we're not going to go through all these. Okay, you can read them on your own time if you would like. Okay? Okay, Okay, now watch. My complete curriculum consists of 3 courses. How to make an app fundamentals, how to make an app database, how to make an app design. Let me show you how these 3 courses will help you build an app. Build your user interface in Xcode. Fundamental course. Xcode in the program you build your views in. There's a drag and drop builder for the user interface. And also a code editor for you to write the Swift code for the logic of your app. Oh, and it's free. You need to get familiar with this program, learn how to lay out user interface elements to build the views that the user sees. Write your app logic with Swift code. Step 3, connect your app to database. Step 4, create a custom design and integrate it, design course. Step 5, submit your app into the App Store. Each of the courses helps you through the different part of the app development process. Best of all, the lessons and courses are designed in the optimal learning path so you don't have to stress out about what to learn next. This is a systematic approach I was talking about earlier. Simply follow the course in this order. 1, Module 1. Module 2, Swift Training. Match app. 3, 4, 5, 6. He's breaking down exactly what he's teaching you. Okay? Systematic. You have students, right, that were in the college, right?
Yeah.
Do you have a systematic approach?
A systematic approach?
Yeah.
I'm afraid no. This is a very good way.
What I'm saying is that you know you have a plan of what you're going to teach them over 8 weeks, right?
Yes.
So that means you have a systematic approach.
But for this situation, I hear this guy have a very good systematic approach. You know, he had the step by step so the student need to follow on his course.
Okay, so you see, you're just getting started. He's been doing this for a living for years. You were unaware of this an hour ago. Okay.
Yeah.
He's been doing this for a living. This didn't happen in one day. Okay. So
I hope so.
Right. So here's how his course is laid out. So basically, his course is like 3 different courses, right?
Yes.
But his 3 courses is really one big course. But he designs it to where he can break them apart. You see. So they can be. So you can take them individually or take them as one full course. But either way, you're going to need all 3 of them. He's maximizing his revenue. Learn by coding real projects that you can publish or use at a starting point for your own app. War app, layout with image, text, button elements, dual orientation, custom graphics elements. Match app, dynamic generation, layout for graphic elements. Quiz app. So he actually has some of these frameworks already built. He has some like templates kind of. New app. Okay, you just have to look at this stuff. Guidebook app. Utilize offline local database for the data, mapping, routing, multi-screen offline note-taking. Photo app. Okay. Furthermore, to make sure your success even more inevitable, all of our courses come with the following benefits. 24/7 access, learn anywhere, download, personal access, private-only community, certificate for completion of course, certification. Look at that. Oh, look, somebody just bought his course. Again, he just got another sale. Look at this. It's 2 sales in like 10 minutes.
2 sales?
Yep, you just had another one. You see that? It's verified by Provely.
Yeah.
See that? Okay.
Yes.
Just so you know. Okay, anyways. So, unlimited access, blah, blah, blah. And introducing the complete iOS training system. Okay, here's this course right here, the whole thing. $297, $294. Save $100 and the design course for free. So he's selling it for $294. Oh, wait, look. Somebody just bought it again. He just sold another course. He just sold 3 courses. He just sold 3 courses for $294. We've been on his page for 15 minutes and he just made like $900.
So cool.
He just made $900 in 15 minutes. Okay. Anyways, so here's what you get with the course. This bundle contains a complete learning path, the fundamental course where you build your rock, a solid iOS, the database course, the design course, all the extra. Oh, wait, he just got another sale.
Oh my God.
There's another one. There's another one. That's 4, okay? So basically this main course consists of 4 courses. It's 4 courses all in one, right? It's a fundamentals course, okay? It's a database course and it's a design course. I have a question for you. Do you know the fundamentals of making an app? Do you know fundamentals?
Yes, I know fundamental.
Do you know about making a database? Do you know anything about that?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know anything about how to design? Oh, he made another sale. Is that 5 now? Is that 5?
5, yes.
It's 5 sales, okay? So you know this stuff, right?
Yes.
Okay, you see where I'm going with this? You know this, Dong. You know this stuff. This guy just made 5 sales. Is it 5? Yeah. Okay, you have 30 days to try out my course risk-free. You're one decision away from changing your future. Video testimonials. Let me ask you a question. Do you think your students would give you a video testimonial?
Yeah.
There you
they
go.
They will. Yeah.
Okay. Oh wait, there's another sale. Randall just bought. That's number 6. It's 6 sales. Okay. So anyways, so here's the course. Here's another. Look. Or Ton, who had his app featured in the newspaper. Ton built an app to find wheelchair accessible locations and got featured in the newspaper. So he used this course to build his own app and he got featured in the newspaper. Okay. So this guy, Macon and Judith app business has grown quite impressively since their first app. Oh, somebody just bought something. Maya just bought a course. That's number 7. 7 sales. Okay. In about 20 minutes. So then here's the others. Here are just a few of the apps our graduates have created and published. Debbie. So now he's showing apps that his graduates have created. So now he's showcasing his students' work. Okay? So he's showcasing his student made this app right here. See? His student made this app right here. Okay. Oh, there's another sale. That's 8 sales now.
I'm afraid that not the real data.
Okay. What do you say?
It's not the real data. It's not real.
Let's look at it. I just clicked on the link. Okay. Provably boost conversion by over 250%. Adding Provably takes just 2 minutes to flat out will detect new signups to display. So it's a software that detects new signups to your sales page. It's a verification process. So it looks like it might be legit. If it's a scam, this guy is probably not going to be in business for very long and be a lot of complaints. So, customize your Provably pop-ups. Okay. Widgets, location. So yeah, anyways. Okay, so back to this. I'm sure, hey, listen, remember, Dong, this guy is getting over like 300,000 visitors a month. Okay? Dong.
Yeah.
That's 10,000 visitors a day.
Too much.
10,000 a day. How many is that an hour? He's getting about 500 visitors in 1 hour. 500 visitors an hour. Okay? So anyway, so here's the app. Here's the options. So he even has a single option and an individual course. Okay? There's a bundle option and then there's an individual option. So if these things are true, he just made another sale. So he literally made $1,000 within the past 20 minutes.
Yes.
Okay, now look at this. Now I want to show you something else. Wrong page. Okay, you see this right here? Here's his other. He has an education program. Now look at this. The leading iOS education program for schools ages 13 to 17. Applications for school partners now open for 2019 to 2020 year. Okay, he has a school program. Remember I talked to you about this at the beginning of the call? Remember I talked to you about getting your program into the college?
Yeah.
He's doing that. He's doing exactly what I told you, but he's doing it. Yeah. See?
Yes.
He's doing exactly what I was talking to you about earlier on. And, yep. See? Get your information package. Look at this. Happy students enrolled. 5,400. I want to go back here real quick. I want to show you something. How many people did he say took this course? How many people took this course? How many did he say? Where's the number at? What did he say? There's a number. He said, how many people took this course? What was the number? There's a number. Where was it? How many people took this course? Where's it? Okay, right here. How many people took the course? Oh, right here. Okay, now I want to ask you, what is that times the calculator? So what is, let's see here, just real quick. I'm curious. So this guy, how much has he made with this course? Okay, I'm going to try and put this in perspective for you, Dong. This guy is selling his course for $294. He's selling it for $294, and he had times 4,135, right?
Yes. Wow. Okay. Too much.
There you go. And there's still more people looking how to make an app.
Yes.
40,000 a month. Okay.
Mm.
There you go. He's made $1.2 million. That's just with this program. That's not counting the school program. Look, 5,400 students in his school program. Here's what teachers are giving testimonials to this guy. Teachers. Okay? Teachers giving him testimonials. Colleges. What our students have done. Here he's showing the apps his students have made. You see this? About the curriculum for our program. Okay? Our curriculum is designed for a classroom. So there you go. I'm just kind of, you can look at it later. I'm just showing you. See this? Lectures, 24/7 lecture on video, all experiences, hands-on activities, lead learner, real-world apps, standard baseboard, teacher support, certification. Here's pictures of his students. This is for real. This is not a joke. See? All of his students have certifications. You see that?
Yes.
Okay. And you said you wanted to make impact, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hopefully they don't mind us recording them right now. So here's the facts about the course. Get in touch.
Mm.
Now let me show you something. Let's look at this. Here's the information package. Okay. I'm going to show you this real quick. I looked at this already. Okay, look at this. Here's the information package. This is exactly what he's doing. Now watch. I'm going to show you the numbers here. Licensing opportunity. Look at that. Licensing opportunity.
Mm.
Okay. Transferable technology skills. Curriculum delivery. Bloom's taxonomy. Let's go over the whole thing. Okay. Teacher support. Okay. Let me show you the price tag. Look at this. Total number of students, 10 to 30 students, $200 per student. 30 to 40 students, $177 per student. If you enroll 60 students, you get half off at $100 a piece. If he takes this to a school and they give him 60 students to put on the program, what's 60 times 100?
$6,000.
$6,000. He made $6,000 and he didn't do anything. Well, he did do something, but I mean that the course, it teaches the students for him and he provides some support. But the point is, if he gets 30 students to take his course at $200 a pop, that's $6,000. Okay? So look at this. He's making on average of around, let's say, $150 per student, okay? Mm-hmm. Now watch. Let's do the math. I'm all about the numbers. I love numbers because I get the answer is in the numbers. You don't know your numbers, you don't know your business, and you have no money. You got to know your numbers. So let's reverse engineer this guy's numbers here. So I don't know how I'm going to fit this on here. Okay. I don't know. Okay. Anyways. So look. So let's just say the average for a student is not 200, not 100, but 150. So let's say he's doing 150 on average per student times 540 students. Mm-hmm. You got $800,000 from your student program. So he's made around $2 million with his little business. Okay? There you go. And the cool thing about it is he doesn't know much more than you do. He just has done the work. He most likely has a business partner. He has a team of people that are helping him with this. He probably has people that edit his videos. He has a team. He's not one person. He has a team. He has employees. Okay?
Yes.
This is not a one-man operation. It looks like a one-man operation, but it's not. He probably pays somebody full-time to answer questions for his students. He probably pays, you see? So, okay, does this make sense to you? Okay, now, there's one more I want to show you. Ready? It gets better. Watch. Watch this. Ready? Now watch. There's a guy right here, programming with Mosh. This guy, you thought the last guy was cool? As Debbie would say, this is the big fish. Right, Debbie? This is the big fish. Look at this. You ready now? This guy has 230,000 subscribers, right? This guy has 634,000 subscribers. 634,000. He has triple the subscribers. This guy is making like 10 times what Chris is making. Now watch. I'm going to show you. Okay, watch. First of all, let's look at his stuff. Look at this. Let's look at his videos. Okay, look at his videos. 3.9 million views, 1.8 million views, 1.6 million views, 1.4 million views, 1.2 million views, 1.1 million, 1 million, 998,000, 855,000, 700,000, 500,000, 538,000, 530,000, 500,000. Okay, look at this. Let me ask you a question. Do you know any of this by chance, Dong? Do you know anything about step by step, MVC.
Yes, yes, yes.
Do you know anything about Python?
I know.
You know about that stuff? I don't know what it is. This is I don't know what the hell's going on right now. Okay.
Did it already. I mean, before I build application with Python,
Okay.
I know that.
So you're basically saying is you can make a video like this, right?
Yes, yes.
Right.
But I think my challenge is the English. How to have a very, softy voice.
You'll be fine. You can work on it. Everybody has strengths and weaknesses. You can get better. You're just getting started. Okay. Nobody was perfect on day one, right? You can get better. Hey, Debbie, I helped her perfect your video skill, right? Debbie got good fast. You'll be fine. We'll help you with that. Look, okay. How to learn code and make an extra $60K a year? What is this? What is CQ? Do you know what CQL is? I don't know what the hell that is. You know. So you know. Okay, so you know this stuff. TypeScript, what's that?
Yes.
Java tutorial for beginners. Okay, so you see what I'm going with this. Now watch. This guy is 3 times bigger than the last guy. Now watch this.
This guy is Superman because he took a lot of course, different courses.
Huh? He did what?
I mean, this guy is the Superman. The guy you saw me.
This guy?
Yes.
Why?
That's the different language, and it's very difficult to understand all of this.
Oh yeah, because he's been doing it for a long time.
Yeah.
But would you? So are you trying? But do you know a lot of what I just showed you though? What he's showing?
I know that.
But you're surprised that yeah. Now watch. Okay.
I surprised because he gave a lot of lesson for the different programming language.
Yeah. Now watch. Okay. Look at this. Okay. Now watch very closely. This is very important for you now. Okay. So here has some links here. Tutorial, subscribe, learning resources, ask your questions here, Stack Overflow, learn how to code with Python. Okay. It's another video link. Now watch. You see this right here? Do you see this? This is an ad. You see this ad? He's getting ad revenue from YouTube. Ad revenue.
Yes.
Look how many views this video has.
3 million.
Almost 4 million. This video right here, it probably made him around $10,000 in ad revenue. That means YouTube sent him a check for like 10 grand. Okay, so there's that. Does it make sense to you? So, Debbie, why don't you explain to Dong how does the YouTube advertising kind of work? You understand that, right, Debbie? Do you
understand how the YouTube advertising works?
I know that.
Okay.
I understand. Yeah.
You know already.
Okay, good. You already know. Okay, so this guy made a killing from just that. Now watch this. Okay, now watch. Okay, you see this guy right here, Mosh? Now look at this. Look at this guy. Watch. This guy is no joke, man. Look at that smile that he has on that guy. Look at this. He started teaching on Udemy in 2014 and currently has over 100,000 students in 182 countries. There you go. Okay. He's the author of several best-selling courses in Udemy and ranks #1.
On Blue side.
Right. Mosh has a Master of Science in Network Systems and a Bachelor of Science in Software Engineering. He's also a Microsoft Certified Application Developer, Technology Specialist, Web Applications, and Professional. I don't even know what that means. Total students, 324,000. 20 courses. Here's all of his courses. JavaScript. Do you know about JavaScript for beginners?
Yes.
Do you think you can make a JavaScript for basic for beginners?
Yeah, I can do that.
And then you could sell it for $9. Right?
Yeah.
What about this one right here? Node.js, the complete guide to build RESTful. Can you do that?
Yes.
Read, I don't know, the complete Angular course. So this is what he's selling. Now watch this. I'm gonna show you something really cool. Now look at this. Let's see here. You see this course right here? The complete ASP.NET MV5 course. Do you know what that is?
Yes.
Now look at this. This course right here has 19,700 students. Okay, you got to really, I got to really show you this. Look at this. This is crazy. Look. So let's do the math. This one course, this one little tiny course. Let's do the math. Let's do the math. So it is. Let's do the math here. My calculator. Move these around. Okay, let's do the math. Oh boy. Okay, look at this. This one course has made him. Let's see here. There's 19,000 students and 719. And Debbie said Udemy takes half the money, so it's just times it by $5. Okay. There you go. This one course has made him $98,000. There's one little course right here. One course, $98,000. Okay, now look at this. That's one course that you can make. Look at this. He has 324,000 students. Let's do the math. Okay, let's do the math on this. Watch. This guy didn't even have a website. This is all on Udemy. 324, 120, whoops. Hold on. 324, 120 times $5, right?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go.
Oh my God.
1.6 million in Udemy. Okay.
Reach my goal. Reach my target.
Yeah, pretty close. Okay, now look. So then we got that, right? Now this is very important right now. I'm showing you how to do this.
Yes.
There's no secret here. There's no secret, okay? The only difference, do you know what the difference is between you and this guy? You know what the difference is? Do you know the difference, Dong?
The different, they have I think they have a very good approach to and the systematic way of teaching to record the video and put on the learning platform.
You're basically saying is they have a good system to take action. So really the big difference between you and this guy is one thing. And that is that this guy is taking action and you're not. That's the difference. That's it. That's the only difference. The only difference is that he's taking action and you're not. That's it. There you go.
Yes.
Now, obviously there are some other things, but that's the biggest difference between the two. Now there's a few other things I want to show you. It doesn't stop there. This is very important. Please pay close attention. Okay. Now. Okay. Now look at this. Now watch. Watch this. Ready? This gets great. Now watch. You watch this. You see it says Mosh? It says Mosh Coding Made Simple. You see that? Now watch. Now this is his courses on his website. Okay. And Teachable. That's a hosting platform like Udemy. But this is his own course. This is not on Udemy. This is his own course. Now watch. All Access membership. Become the best coder you can be with unlimited access to all the existing and future courses. First-rate courses at a bargain price. 22 courses, 170 hours. Expand your career options. Save over 1,000, no joke. Learn little-known expert tips. Get certifications. Certificates for completion. Learn at your own pace. Watch online. Watch any device. Prepare for technical interviews. Get all the skills you need to excel for less than the price of a dinner. $15 a month.
Right for dinner. Yes.
It's called price anchoring in sales. Okay. Thank you, Mosh. Using your courses, I was able to finish my CMVC Web Application Developer certifications and this gave me an opportunity to work for a fantastic startup. I am a full stack developer, and I come back to discover new techniques all the time. Again, thank you. The subscription to your courses is the best investment that I've ever made. All the material from your catalog is really well explained and has helped me to gain a great background in technology. Like Nod, Angular, you're the best teacher that I've ever had. These courses have helped me to grow as a software engineer and also follow the full stack developer path. Okay. So here's some of his courses. You buy them individually. This is what he charges. He charges this price individually. 150, 50, 150, 150, 150, 150, 150, 30, 30. Let me ask you a question. Do you know about any of this stuff? Data structures? Do you know anything about that? Do you know this stuff? Do you know anything about, you know this? This?
Yes.
Okay, so you know this stuff. Okay. Okay, so you have an idea, right? You know this? Any of this? Okay. You know any of this stuff?
Yeah. Angular JS.
The point I'm trying to drill into your brain, Dong, is this guy isn't special.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I know. I got that.
Okay. Now look, original price is $2,000 for all the courses. All future courses are included free of charge. Mosh adds 4 to 6 courses per year. So you're getting $460 the value per year on top of all existing courses, worth $1,700 for just $15 a month. $15 a month plus all new courses will be available exclusively on this website. 30-day money-back guarantee. $15 a month. Watch this. Ready? Now watch. This is key. Watch. This is why the reason why this guy is making so much money is because he's helping people make money. Watch. I don't forget the first interviews I had. I didn't have a deep understanding of OOP concepts. I didn't know entity framework or unit testing, and when listen very closely. When the employers asked me about these topics, I had no answer. I was so disappointed. I felt that I didn't have enough talent to be good net developer. I found Mosh's courses and spent 7 to 8 hours every day to learn code with Mosh. After 4 months, I could answer every single question about COOP entity framework. I paid less than $200 for your courses. If I wanted to take those courses in a boot camp, it would cost $20,000. What's this say? What's it say? Oh, hold on. Alarm! Hold on. Okay. Wow. Okay. So, the question I want to ask you is, what does that say? My alarm went off. That's funny. What's that say?
He had around 12 subscribers.
It says join 11,955 subscribers. Okay. What does that mean? What's he charging per month? What's he charging per month? What's he charging? $15, right?
Yes.
Now watch. Let's do the math. Let's have some fun here. Let's figure out how much money this guy's making on a monthly basis with his one little offer. One offer. He has one offer. You know what he's doing? He's doing the Netflix model. Watch. Okay, let's take his total students. Okay? So it's 11955, right?
Mm-hmm.
Times $15 a month, right? Is that right?
Yeah. So 179.
How much money is he making per month right now?
For me,
Debbie, how much money is this guy making per month in the coding industry?
in the coding, around, I think for the very good developer, it's around.
No. I was asking how much is Mosh, this guy right here, how much is he making right now per month?
179,000.
Yeah, 179,
A month.
100. Yeah, yeah.
A month. 179,000 a month.
Yes.
Now, this guy did not get there in one day. This guy's been doing this for years. Okay, he started this back in 2014. Okay, he's been doing this for a long time. But I'm just trying to show you, Dong, the potential. Dong, if this guy, Abby, I'm gonna ask you a question, Abby. Abby, if this guy can make 180,000 in 1 month, do you think Dong can make maybe? Oh my goodness, Debbie, do you think Dong could make 180,000 in 1 year if this guy can make 180,000 in 1 month? Is it
Yeah,
possible?
possible.
For 1 year, right?
For 1 year. See?
Which
So,
mean
Oh.
which means you don't really have to create a target to be 100% like them. You just reach the target of them 10%.
Yes, right.
right. You don't need.
It's actually very easy. In Vietnam, there are so many companies that is actually close their operation in Singapore for technology, and they move it to Vietnam. Alibaba, Lazada, and so on.
Yeah.
So the demand for technology is very high.
Right.
And the biggest requirement for all this software engineering to work in the giant company is they need to be able to code and to be able to speak English.
Yes.
So when you are actually doing like a target market for Vietnam market, but it's in English, you can reach them better. And at the same time, you also create like a big connection and subscriber.
I got your idea.
Right. And you see right now we're creating awareness, and Debbie, you see? So these are things that we'll talk about, right? And how we're going to what's best for Dong. Right? What's the quickest route? So, but there's more. Now watch this is very important. This is very, very important, okay? Watch. Now this is very important. I'm showing you some really cool stuff. Now watch this. Okay? Now watch. You're going to continue to learn from the master. I'm just kidding. Okay, now watch. Okay, so look at this. So there's a website right here. It's called Triple Byte. Okay, get offers from top tech companies. You get 3 attempts to pass, give it a try, and see how you do. Traditional way, each company has its own long interview process. With every new company, you have to do it all over again. Triple Byte way, what they do is you come here, you take a quiz, and then Triple Byte will give you an interview. And then they'll give you on-site interviews for companies that will hire you in your software development career. Right? Now look at this. They have 450 companies actively hiring in their database. Okay? 10,000 plus candidate company matches made per week. Okay? Look at this. 3,000 job offers received by our candidates. Okay? We work with all these companies here. The point I'm getting at is this. Take a look. Feature opportunities. Featured opportunities. Manager of engineering, senior software engineer, senior full stack engineer, senior software engineer, senior Android engineer, software engineer, front end XR engineer. These are all things that people are looking to hire for right now on this website. There's open job opportunities. When should I sign up? How much does it cost? Take our quiz. How much does it cost? Free for engineers. Watch this. Free for engineers will even cover your flights and hotels for final interviews. Companies pay us because we make their hiring process more efficient. You guys don't understand what we're dealing with here. Is it confidential? Yes, we will not share any information about with you and companies. Listen to me. Listen to me very closely here. When you're trying to hire somebody, it's expensive. Because if you hire the wrong person, then you waste a lot of time and you waste months of your time training them, and then you got to start over again. You understand? So what this company is doing is they're promising high quality employees to businesses so that businesses can save money in the hiring process. Because of that, the business is willing to pay this website like they're willing to pay this website like $5,000 for a good employee. And then this website takes that money and gives you some of it back, saying, hey, we'll pay for your hotel and your flights. When you don't even have the job yet. Okay. Think about that. So the thing I've been telling Debbie for Debbie's business is the exact same concept. What I told Debbie, what I want us to do, is that Debbie is going to be known as the premier website for UX designer career. That's what it's fucking called. Okay? UX designer career. She's going to be known for that. So when businesses are looking for a UX designer that want to start a career, businesses will go to Debbie because Debbie has certified them. And Debbie can guarantee a good employee. And then the business will pay Debbie like $5,000 for one of her students. For doing nothing. It's a bonus for training someone. Money. So what I'm saying is that you can do the same thing. You like this company is doing right here. You can, when you train your own students, you can eventually attract clientele, then and save businesses money, and they pay you for that service.
Yes.
So that's another revenue model. So you sell courses, you train people, right? And then the other big revenue is that you have other businesses pay you for employees. That's massive. Because think, if a business pays you $5,000 for a software developer, if you just get 5 of those a month, that's 25 grand. 25 grand. And all you're doing is connecting the people, your students, to the job. That's all you're doing. I made 25 grand. Anyways, I can't do that. I'm not in that type of business. Okay, that was my bit.
The idea, Dong.
Yes, I get the idea.
Okay. I'm trying to explain this to you. This is really advanced concept. This is not for people that are not intelligent, but hopefully you're intelligent enough to get this. Okay. Now listen to me. My alarm went off because the irony is that's when I got up last night, and now I'm going to bed when I got up. Anyways, watch. At 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning. It's okay. It's all right. This is what I do. I'm having fun. This is what I do for a living. This is what I do. All right. This is what I do. This is what I do all the time, every day. Now watch. Now ready for this? No, you're ready. Now watch. Watch this shit. Watch. This website is making so much money from businesses. Okay, understand. Understand this. Okay, look. Understand this right here. Okay, understand this. Look. Please understand. Look. So this is the situation we're in. We have Dong here. Here's Dong. Here's Dong right here. This is Dong. We have Triple Byte right here. Okay. No, we have Triple Byte right here. Triple Byte right here and Dong's right here. Over here, we have, I don't know, Nike.com, whatever. Nike says, hey, Triple Byte. Triple Byte says yes. And they say, hey, Triple Byte, can you get me an employee for my Nike company? Can you get me an employee, Nike says? And Triple Byte says, yes, we can get you an employee. Hold on a second. They go over here. Hey, Dong, do you want to work for Nike? You're a software developer, right? You say, yeah. Okay. Well, Nike's looking for a software developer, so we want the job? Dong says, yes. Okay. Well, tell you what. They want to interview you. They want you. And we're going to pay for your flights and hotels to go to Nike. You're like, okay. Triple Byte goes back to Nike. Triple Byte says, hey, Nike, we found you a software developer. They're like, really? Yeah. Well, just give us $5,000 and we'll fly him to you. Nike says, really? Okay, great. Nike gives TripleByte $5,000. They give you like $1,000 and they fly you to Nike. Nike gives you the job.
Yeah.
There you go. You understand? TripleByte didn't do anything. Now watch this. Okay, now watch this. Ready? Now look at this. This is really, now watch very, 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 very closely. I'm going to show you something really cool. Now watch this. Watch very, very, very closely. This is fine print. Watch. Okay? Look at this. So we have this right here. Now look at very closely. Now watch. Join TripleByte affiliate program. Now watch. Now affiliate program means, for example, right? If you have a training course for coders or for app makers, and if I go sell that course for you to, I don't know, one of my friends, and they buy it, then you are going to give me a commission. So I'm your affiliate, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now watch this. TripleByte has an affiliate program. Hi Chad, I hope this email finds you well. I know your time is valuable, so I'll cut straight to the chase. I'm looking for a small group of affiliates to promote TripleByte. I think Great at Play is an obvious fit to work with because of your laser-focused audience of open source developers. TripleByte is making the world a better place for software engineers. I'm a full-stack Django developer myself by making it possible for talented engineers to skip resume and recruiter screenings while applying for multiple top tech companies at once with a single common online quiz and technical interview. So TripleByte is helping you skip the resume process. Okay? They're helping you skip the screening process. Now watch. Watch this now. If you refer a software engineer who goes through TripleByte centralized technical quiz interview process, and they get a job at any company on our platform, including Apple, Facebook, Dropbox, Stripe, whatever, and 150 others, we'll give you, the referring site owner, $1,500 per person commission.
A lot.
That is a big dollar amount. I truly believe we can become one of the largest supporters of open source projects without individuals having to contribute a penny. So they're making the interview process better for you, and they're literally flying you to the appointment. And they're giving a $1,500 commission. So look, if I refer you to TripleByte, then they're going to give me $1,500, right? If you get the job. So Nike gives them $5,000. TripleByte then flies you to Nike and gives you $1,000 for your flight. Nike hires you. TripleByte comes to me and says, "Hey Thomas, Dong got the job, so we're going to give you $1,500." I say, "Oh, thank you." Okay. So think about that. Just think about that. Keep that in your mind. Okay. Now I'm going to show you this. Now this is another thing I want to show you. Now watch. This is another guy. This is the one guy that I like on YouTube. I like this guy. This guy is great. Out of everybody else in this niche, I really don't like at all. I don't like them. I just think they're okay. I just think they're just vanilla and boring. This guy is great. Okay. This guy right here, okay, is CS Dojo. Okay. How to learn code, 1 million views. Okay. This guy has 1 million subscribers. Look, 1 million. This is the bigger fish, as Debbie would say. Now watch. This is very important that you understand this and look at this very closely. Now I'm going to show you this. Now look, this guy right here, you see it says Code Academy? Okay. And then you see it says Lynda right here. You see that? Lynda.com. You see that? LinkedIn with Lynda, Lynda.com. He's an affiliate for Lynda. He's an affiliate for Lynda. LinkedIn with Lynda. You know what that means? Whenever you refer somebody to Lynda and they sign up for a free trial, he gets $10. $10 for a free trial. Okay. He's doing a free boot camp, and he's an affiliate for Code Academy. Now watch this. This guy right here, look at his videos. Why I left Google, 4.9 million views. Python tutorial, 3.4 million views. How I Learned to Code, 2.6 million. Top 5 programming languages to learn, 1.6 million. Google coding interview, 1.4 million. What can you do with Python, 1.4 million. How to learn to code, best resources, 1 million. Think you're not smart enough to work at Google, 900,000. How to use if-else statements, 900,000. How I got a job, 800,000. Amazing coding interview, 800,000. Anyways, you get the idea. This is another guy. There's multiple people doing this. This is not a one-person thing. Look. Where am I at on my screen? Now look at this. Watch. This is key now. Watch. This is key. Okay, look at this. Okay, so we have this thing. That's a music video. That's for me. Sorry. That's for me too. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Let me delete this stuff here. Okay, here it is. Now watch. Here's his Udemy course. Okay? He has 7,000 students on Udemy. Okay? 7,000 students. Okay, you already seen this. You know what that's all about. Now watch this. Now look at this. Now look at this right here. See this link at the very top? There's a link right here. It says CS Dojo, right? That's the guy on YouTube, the guy that I just showed you. Now look. Now watch very closely. 5 problem-solving tips, sample solution code. Now watch very closely. This is stealth. Watch. Very down here at the bottom, watch this now. It says daily coding interview problem, a website that runs by my friend of mine. It's more suited for intermediate to advanced learners. Now watch. No, okay. Now look at this. Now look at this. Do you see this right here? Do you see that? You see that?
Yes, see at Dojo.
Okay. What does that mean?
Reference.
It means that this guy right here, this is an affiliate link right here. It's an affiliate link on this link. It's an affiliate link. This link right here is an affiliate link. That means when you click this and if you buy the product, CG Dojo gets a commission.
Yes.
Okay? Now understand that this video right here has 1 million views, okay? And it's going to these places, okay? So when you click this link, it sends you here, CG Dojo. Now watch this very closely. Daily coding problem. This is something that I want to incorporate with you, but just do it a little bit better. Now watch. Daily coding problem. Watch this. Are you programming? Watch this. Ace your programming interview. Get exceptional good at coding interviews by solving one problem every day. How it works. We write problems, get tailored problems from our experts who have interviewed at top companies. You solve them. Step 2. Solve problems every day before you get the solutions the next morning. Number 3, we send the solution premium. Verify your work and get better at problem solving until you land the job. So they're preparing you for the interview process, right?
Yeah.
Because what's a big problem? The interview process. What is Debbie's 3rd program? How to interview. Okay. Now watch this. I'm going to put my email in here. I've already did this. Watch this. Watch very closely. Okay. Now watch. Upgrade to premium and get solutions. $8 a month or $80 for the year. Standard package, 1 problem every morning, complete solution next morning, tricks and guides to coding problems, renewals automatically, cancel anytime, no ads. $8 a month. Okay. Now I know that doesn't sound like a lot of money, but when you got somebody that has a video, what I'm trying to get at is this. Okay. When you have somebody, Dong, that has a video with 1 million views, and that person is your affiliate, and they're sending you hundreds of thousands of people to your website, you probably got some subscribers. So he probably has, I don't know, he probably has at least 10,000 people giving him $8 a month. And all he's doing is sending little emails. That's all he's doing. He's just sending out emails. Debbie knows what an autoresponder is. An autoresponder is pre-written emails. There's pre-written questions and problems. This guy created an autoresponder sequence. When you pay for this service, he has emails that go out to you on autopilot. They're already pre-written.
I think don't receive some of my email from day to day.
Yes.
You subscribe to my UX Grow Hack or something. So sometimes you receive that, right? It's
right.
Yes. Right.
Okay, so this guy right here is charging for an automated email series, $8 a month. He's doing nothing. I mean, he's doing a little bit, but nothing. It's automated. $8 a month. He probably has at least 10,000 people on this. Easy. At least 10,000 people. No joke. His best friend, he even said, he said, my friend, look.
You get confused, Dong? Is it too many information or?
A kind of a lot of information, but I try to take note.
Okay, it's all okay, but okay. Do you have any questions so far? Any questions about anything?
Currently, I'm good, but I will review based on my notes, and we'll have question later.
Okay, now look at this. This guy right here has 1 million subscribers. Now look.
Sorry, do you have a question?
I mean, can you share me the video after the call?
Video.
I know. I mean, the day later.
Okay, now watch now. Now watch. As long as you promise not to share this with any of your employees or your boss.
No. I just want to review our content, our discussion.
I'm just kidding. Okay. Now watch this. This CG Jojo, this guy, the 1 million. This is the top. This is a big dog in the niche. The big guy. He's the best. He talks good. He sounds good. He actually helps you. Now watch. 1 million subscribers. Okay. Look at this now. Look. He says, daily coding interview problem. Daily coding interview problem. He says, a website that's run by a friend of mine. It's more suited for intermediate to advanced learning. His friend. So this guy has 1 million subscribers on YouTube. Has videos of millions and millions of views. And he is this guy's friend. You understand? This guy has at least 10,000 people on this for $8 a month. He's probably making around $80,000 a month with an autoresponder that costs him maybe $100 a month. His total cost to run this business is literally like nothing. But actually, he's given the other guy at a commission. So when he refers somebody here, remember I showed you the affiliate link? So he's probably not making $8 per person. He's probably making like $5 per person. And I think that concludes everything, or is there more? Okay, there's a few more things. So watch this. This is very important. Okay, I'm going to share this one more time. We're almost done here. Now watch this. Remember I told you about Linda?
Yes.
Okay. Look at this. So let's remember now. LinkedIn and Linda pays $10 per trial sign up. $10. If you refer somebody to Linda, so if you make a video on YouTube or start your website, and if you don't even have a course, just give them some free tips and tell them to go to Linda. And you'll get $10 for a free sign up. Okay. Yeah. And this guy right here, again, down here, he has a link. It says lynda.com. You see that? This is his affiliate link. It's his affiliate link. Okay? Look down here. Look down here. I'll show you. Look. Look at the very bottom of the screen. You probably can't see it. The very bottom. It's his affiliate link. Okay?
Yeah.
You see it says at the very end, it says event equal video description. You see that? It says event equal video description. Okay, the reason why it says that in his affiliate link is because he's tracking exactly where the conversion is coming from. He's tracking where he's making his money from. Okay. Anyways, okay, back to where am I? I'm lost now. 5,000 tabs. Okay, right here. Okay. So this guy is probably making $1,000 a month just from Linda. If he sends 1,000 people here and 1,000 people sign up, that's $10 per person. That's 10 grand. He's probably making like 10 grand a month from Linda. Linda is sending him checks. Okay. Now I want to show you another thing. Look at this. This is the thing called Code Academy. Now watch this. This is really cool. Here's another business model. This guy right here, you see it says some of sources I mentioned in the video, Code Academy. You see that? This guy is also an affiliate for Code Academy. This guy right here, the guy with 1 million subscribers, the biggest fish in your niche, fish niche, huh? This guy, he doesn't even have his own course, okay? He doesn't have his own course. I've researched him. He doesn't have his own course. All he's doing is being an affiliate. That's all he's doing. He's an affiliate for Linda. He has a product on Udemy. He's an affiliate for his friend for the $8 a month problem thing, interview thing. And he's an affiliate for Code Academy. Guy's making bank just being an affiliate. Okay? Now look at this. Guy's making over 100 grand a month being an affiliate without a product. Okay, now look at this. Okay, Code Academy. Here's the link that was in the guy's description. Code Academy. Now watch this. This is called Code Academy. This is another product that's being sold, basically teaching code. Okay? What is Code Academy? We've helped more than 45 million people. Holy shit. They've had 45 million customers. 45 million customers. Can you believe it?
Now
look at this. After 7 years, 45 million learners. We know what will help you succeed. Learn the right language, more than syntax, boost your portfolio. That's what Debbie's doing for her niche. Boost portfolio. Practice that fits your lifestyle. Path that works for you. Pick your path. Okay. Coding is for everyone. So are we. College is expensive, so are boot camps. Not everyone can afford to quit their job to learn full time. We're here to make coding more flexible and accessible so everyone has a chance to learn. If you know how to read, you can learn how to code. For the longest time, I didn't consider myself a programmer. I always put coding on a pedestal. I was like, you need to be like a super smart to know programming, but not now. I want to learn code. Now look at this. $19 a month, $30 a month for 6 months. Monthly subscription is $40 a month. Okay? Or it's $19 if you pay for 12 months. So basically $40 a month. Now I want to tell you something that's very important to understand is that this company right here is probably making, they probably have 100,000 people at $40 a month. I don't know. But they're probably making like 5 million a month. I'll tell you right now, this company right here they're probably doing something of absurd numbers. Let's just say, for example, if they had, let's just say they had 10,000 people at $40 a month. There you go.
400,000 per month.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know. They could have 20,000 people at $40 a month. I don't know what they have. But we do know they said that they helped over 45 million people. Okay. Yep. Now look at this. Look at this. Look at this. They're making so much money. They're offering jobs. They're making so much money. They're offering jobs. You can apply for a job at their company. Look at this. Join Code Academy and teach millions of skills they need to upgrade their career. See open positions. Here's their team. Look at this. 45 million helped. Countries served 179. 200 lessons explored. Why do you want to work at our Code Academy? Oh, our values. Okay. So they're making so much money. They have opening positions for jobs. Benefits to work here. If you work at this company, they give you medical, dental, and vision insurance. Okay. Wellness, reimbursement, flexible work schedule. Follow open positions. They have 8 positions for engineers. They are looking for 8 engineers. They're looking for 2 designers, 1 cook, data science, marketing, product, talent, learn, support. They're making so much money that they're trying to bring on more staff because they're trying to grow. Okay. So again, this company right here, Dong, I'm trying to show you something. This is very important for you to understand. 8 engineers, 8 software engineers, okay? That's like 8 of you. You're looking to hire on board right now. 8 of you. What I'm trying to say is that there's not enough, the demand is so high. There's so many people that want to learn how to code. There's so many people that want to learn apps that these companies can't keep up and help enough people. You understand?
Yes.
They can't keep up. So I'm trying to drive that point home to you. They can't keep up. So now look at this. This company has an affiliate program. Code Academy has an affiliate program. Join Code Academy's affiliate program and get 25% of the subscription purchases. Okay, listen to me very closely here. This company right here, okay, is going to give you 25% of the subscription purchase with bonuses for top performers. So I'm 90% sure what they're saying is that if you refer someone and somebody pays $40 a month, you get reoccurring commissions. So if you refer somebody for $40 a month, 25% of that is like $10. So you get reoccurring commissions. Okay, so if you referred 100 people to them and they're paying you $10 per person, that's $1,000 a month. So if you made videos on YouTube and the internet, there you go. You just refer them people and just build your income. That's just when you're starting. So if you're starting without a program, you can start as an affiliate. And I think that is about it. Oh, no, I think there's one more. Hold on. There's one more guy I want to show you. There's another big fish. Okay? The point is, there's lots of room for everybody. Now look at this. There's another big fish. It gets bigger. Ready? It gets bigger. This guy has 1.7 million subscribers. 1.7 million. Okay? Again, 1.7. Now look at this guy. This guy right here. Okay? He has his own courses and Skillshare. But he's basically doing the exact same thing I've already showed you. Okay? Now, this guy is making money from ads on YouTube. Here's Grant Cardone. He's making money off of Grant Cardone's ads. So this guy's at 1.7 million. This guy's one of the biggest ones, actually. I think he's probably the biggest one that I found. Look at his videos. Look at this. Mike Boyd, learn quick. Okay, well he teaches all kinds of things. But anyways, now there's one last thing I want to show you. This is really cool. Okay, and I have a feeling I might start here with you. Get the hell out of here! What the hell is this? What is this owl doing here on the screen?
WGU includes certifications like CIW and CCNA,
FYI,
MCSA and CEA. So you earn a highly respected degree and the certifications you need to get ahead.
LOL.
Not helping.
Online, nonprofit, and surprisingly affordable. WGU. It's a new kind of you.
Anyways. Okay, this is the last thing I want to show you, then I'm done talking, and then you should ask me any questions that you have. Okay? Now, I want to show you this, and this is really important because this is the last thing I want to show you for today, and I have a feeling that if you end up working with me and Debbie, this is what we're going to do. Okay? And again, I know it's going to be a very long call, longer than I expected, but this is all very important for your success. Okay? Okay, now listen to me very closely. Very, 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 very closely. Okay. So I believe the biggest problem in this niche, so the question is, what's the biggest problem that people are willing to spend the most money on? What is it? What is the biggest problem somebody has that costing them the most money and they're willing to pay the most for? That's where ideally you'd want to start. Right? Right there. You want to start selling the one thing that's the most pain for someone, that's costing them the most money, and you want to start where they're willing to pay you the most money, right? The most pain and pay you the most money, right? For the solution. And I believe the biggest pain point is when somebody has spent years learning coding and they can't get a job. They're like, fuck. I took these courses and I had 3 interviews and nobody will hire me. Okay. Ideally, I think maybe that if I work with you, I'm not sure yet, me and Debbie have to talk about a lot of things. But I'm thinking that I would like to maybe potentially help you with a course on how to land an interview and how to negotiate. I'm very good at negotiating and with selling. And I could help you with this course. And this course you would sell for $1,000 a pop. The cool thing about this course is you're just going to imagine, for example, you were looking to hire a coder for yourself, right? And that could happen, right? You're going to want to hire a coder, right? For you or an employee. You're going to ask them questions, right? You're going to be very picky, right? So we can take that and what I know and put that into a program, right? Right? So like we could create a program where it's like you would be like walking, like say, hey, listen, if I was going to hire you and my team, this is what I would do to you. This is what would happen. So you could be the guy and I could pose as the prospect that could be the employee. So you could pose as the coder. You are the coder, right? You could literally pose as that guy, and like, look, if you were in an interview with me, this is how I would drill you, and then me, I'd be like, okay, well, I'm Thomas. I'm the guy trying to get the job, and we could work through that and create a whole program around that, make it like a 10-hour program. It'd be really cool. Be awesome. We sell for $1,000 a pop. So. Yeah, it's an idea that I have. Now watch this. Now I'm going to show you somebody that's doing exactly what I'm just told you. Okay? And these guys, they're not very good. They're weak. They're pretty good though. This video right here, now listen very closely, this is important. Okay, I said it like 5 times. This guy right here, okay, this guy, it says how to learn to code. This is the worst video I've ever seen in my life. I'll never watch him again. Okay, so basically, I left him a comment. It says, I watched your video for 9 minutes and learned nothing about how to learn code. Specifically, thanks. I'm going to show you my comment. I left him a comment because it pissed me off. Look at this guy. Okay, look, I left him a comment. Anyways, I thought it was kind of funny. I left him a comment here. This is me.
I saw that.
I didn't learn nothing about coding. I watched his video for 9 minutes and I learned absolutely horse shit. I learned nothing. He's blabbering on and talking. And all he's trying to do is sell you on his program. He's not really doing anything. But he has 474,000 subscribers. Now I'm going to show you this. Now watch. In his description, all he's doing is selling you on his program. Blah, 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 blah. He's selling you in a program. Okay. Now look at this. It says Daily Interview Pro. Now watch. Here's his program. Okay, Tech Interview Pro. Okay, learn to pass the coding interview with the pros. Ask Google Tech's lead and ex Facebook engineer collaborator. Okay, learn the secrets to passing a tech interview. Sign up for a free video. The best way to pass a coding interview. Period. Tech lead and this guy. Whatever. Blah, 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 blah. Here's who we are. A video course, 60 episodes teaching you how to pass a coding interview and exactly what you need to do. Learn in the comfort of your home. Live Q&A. Join us every 2 weeks for live Q&A. We'll answer your personal questions, subject to availability, access to private Facebook group, coding sessions. Join the tech lead in Joma in 10 video coding sessions where we deep dive into data structure and algorithms. Resume resume review. We will review your resume. We'll help you review a resume to ensure that you have the best chance for standing out. Additional content and lessons. Meet your instructors. Here's your 2 instructors. Okay. So literally this would be like me and you on the page, hypothetically, right? your 2 instructors. Okay. Watch your first free episode. Your offer expires in 6 days. Shut the fuck up. Anyway, I'm sorry, did I say it out loud? Debbie knows that this is fake. Right, Debbie? She already knows. Yeah. Now watch. Here's what you see when you opt in. Here's what you see. When you opt in, they give you this deal here. It says 50% off Labor Day sale, 1 week only. Get it 50% off. Offer expires 6 days. Blah, 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 blah. Included episodes, 10 hours, interview process, evaluation criteria, must know interview tips, top 10 common mistakes, crafting your resume, behavioral interview, coding tips, deep dive, data structures, deep dive, algorithm, deep dive, and more, blah, blah, blah. Transitioning career paths, bonus, mock interview session, bonus, 10 coding sessions, bonus, bonus, bonus. Lifetime access, live Q&As, join, meet the instructors. Now here's a sample video, okay? I'm recording this for Dong, so it's on the video, so you can watch it later. Just hold on. Just Okay, now look at this. Okay, now it took me 10 years to go through trial and error to understand the interview process until I finally got a job. This person says I got rejected and had to wait another year to apply. So if they failed the interview process, then they lose a job. Now look at this. So here's a copy. You can read this later when you watch the video. Now look, join now. Okay, they're selling it for $1,000, but they're giving a discounted rate for Labor Day. Spots are limited. Satisfaction guaranteed. 14 days. Here's your bonuses: lifetime access, resume review and critique, continue lessons and course content, and so on and so on. And here's the rest of their disclaimer. They basically tell you that, this anybody can do it, and they basically tell you that if you buy this just to get a refund, we're not going to refund you. And if you're going to buy this, make sure you do the work. And if you do the work and it's still not for you, then maybe we'll refund you. But there's really no refund. But anyways, so there's that. I think that was it. Yep. And then I already showed you these guys, right? These instructors. We talked about this already, right? These instructors. We talked about this earlier on in the call, right? We went over that, and I believe, yeah, that is. What is this? Oh, this is the Udemy. Udemy has an affiliate program, but that's nothing. That's not really significant. All right. So that concludes my thing. Now, one last thing I want to show what I just showed you. So basically they're selling this program, and basically what they're saying is this. They're basically saying is, hey, listen, if you go for the interview and you don't understand the process, you don't know the answer to the questions, if you answer one of the interview questions wrong, that gives them one reason to not give you the job and hire someone else. And if you invest in the program, we'll prepare you for the whole process, so you'll get the job. You'll get the career. They started the video saying, hey, listen, do you want a career making $100,000? That's how they started it. Hey, do you want a career making $100,000? Hey, I used to work for Google. Hey, I'm this amazing guy. I'm the best guy out there in the whole world, whatever. So they're basically saying is, listen, give us $1,000 and we'll get you a career that can make you $100,000. That's what they're basically saying. You don't give us $1,000, then you risk losing your $100,000 career. So I think that's a really good transaction to try to negotiate. Me personally, if I did a program like that, I would actually charge that a lot more money. I would actually charge that for like $2,000. If we actually got somebody the job, I would charge at least $2,000 for that. There's no way I would sell that for $500. It's ridiculous. If it actually worked, what I would do is give them a trial. I would screen and qualify them for the program, make sure they're a good fit. And then if they're a good fit, I would say, okay, it's a $2,000 program. But if you don't get the job, and if you do this, and then then maybe we'll refund you half your money or something. But I would charge like $2,000 for it. I wouldn't charge $500. If you get somebody a career for $100,000, $2,000 is nothing, right? So I think they're just trying to get whoever they can in the program. They're not really charging a higher price tag. So there you go. So now you know about how you can do your business online. Now you know about your skill, and now you know how you can go about, teaching people your skill and monetizing that and starting an online business. And as you see, Dong, there's many different ways to do it. You can make ad revenue from the YouTube channel. You can do it by being an affiliate for somebody else's course. There's many different courses, or you can create your own course. You can create your own certification program. You could sell a course that's like $300, $500, or you could do a monthly payment system where you charge them like $30 a month. You can do consulting, and you've seen like 10 different people making a lot of money that are doing what you want to do. You've seen over 10 different people that are making over $3,000 a month, that are making over $10,000 a month. And you've seen that the demand is very high, and the marketplace probably needs somebody like you. So now after all that, what questions do you have for me and Debbie?
My confirmation is on you try to introduce to me the case study, right? There are some people they set up the platform, they set up the course, they provide and they try to engage the student to join the course to learn and also how to make some video, try to use some social network, make the video to introduce and or review about the cost, and then we try to earn money from by kind of the affiliation, right?
Affiliate.
Yeah, affiliate. Yes.
Okay. So what's the question?
Um, I will think more about this and I will feedback to you later. The question list I will try to send to JB through our maybe messenger. It's okay.
I think one more thing. I think that you probably get confused with too much information. Okay, so just
Yes.
give you a brief overview here.
Yes.
The whatever that we are showing you right now, this is what we call as information business. Note it down. Information business. Okay, so information business is basically taking up all your skills and talent, and then helping people to actually solving problems. Okay, so you are not keep on trading your time for money, but you are actually creating like a product, digital product, physical product, or any kind of product that you can sell over and over again to build an asset that give you passive income.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So there are many things. There are many things that I think that you can do, but probably you are not aware of it. Okay, so for example, based on our conversation in the morning just now, right? Like the way you did the interview and then how you negotiate your salary, okay, and also how you can get more students. You actually have the capability and talent, but it's not maximized yet.
I got that.
Yeah, so there are many things that we can actually help you to do that. And here's the thing, when we work together in the company, right, I particularly pay attention to people that is actually serious learner and the people that is just gazing around. Do you know gazing around means? Every time I did like a presentation, there are people that just like I have no idea like what this person are thinking. But I particularly understand that Dong is one of the person that serious learner. Okay, when I teach like UX design, like product management, business model, you are the person that always pay attention and have very strong interest to learn something new. Okay, so I strongly believe that Dong is very capable, and that's why I told Tommy that Dong is one of my high priority. Okay.
Thank you, Debbie.
Yeah. So another thing that I want to say is that you have this lifelong ambition of being an entrepreneur for a very long time, correct?
Yes.
But when you do the foundation design or any other system that is you learn from books or you learn from the company for 100 hours or probably more, because I spent a lot of that. I knew the pain, and I'm also very curious why people keep on asking me to do this over and over again, and it also doesn't help me to reach my goal, right? I also want to become entrepreneur, but even though I did all of that, it doesn't help me to reach my goal. So I learned a lot of things all by myself about information business. And then I apply that all by myself also. And then I know how to do things correctly. Okay. So for your case, you knew that I actually have this UX design course, correct?
Yes.
You knew that I have this UX design course. So I have 5 premium member that I charge around $300. So I didn't charge like 2,000 like Tommy said, because I was just playing around. I didn't do it seriously. But if you imagine like $300 and I have like 5 students, 3 students, and I'm just testing it for a few months. I'm not doing it like 2014 or something. Okay. It's actually the same thing. Imagine like 300 times 5, 1,500. It's the same with your 1 month salary. Do you get me? So, and I do it like only for a weekend for like 1 hour. So can you imagine? So that's why to reach your goal to replace like 1,700 living expenses, it's actually not hard. And also like to reach 3,700 your total income is also not hard. But you need to make a decision that if you really want to become entrepreneur, you need to make a decision and commitment for that.
Yes, it means taking action, right?
Yes, taking action and also have the commitment.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So you do 100 hours of foundation design, and it doesn't help you to become entrepreneur. You keep on doing all this foundation offer again and again and again. It show you nothing. But right now we are actually, Tommy and I, spending 6 hours. Even Tommy didn't sleep. Tommy want to sleep just now. I asked him, no, wait for dawn. So
Sorry.
so basically we spend 6 hours and show you that you can actually build a business, show you the possibility with your income statement to reach your income potential, to use your talent and skill to make an impact, also building your dream to become entrepreneur. Okay. And also shows you how you can actually make money and building a sustainable business for the long term. Okay. So after this session, Tommy will send you the video. You can watch over it again.
Yes.
And please take this seriously because we didn't do this for everybody.
I got that. Yeah. I got that. I appreciate that.
Yeah. And then after that, you can have any question and let me know.
Yes.
And we will have another follow-up because we really want you to take action and become an entrepreneur, making impact. So we will have another follow-up. And you can ask us any question. And there is also potential for you to become entrepreneur by yourself or working together with us.
Yes, okay? I got that. Yeah.
So Tommy, do you want to add on something?
No, Debbie, I think you got it pretty good. I think you're 100% right about Dong. I think, I feel like everything you said about Dong was right on point. When you told me that he had the skill and he has the ability to teach people, he's already doing these things. He's already doing it. He just has to just change how he's doing it a little bit to make more money. And you're already teaching students. You already have the skill. You already can do this. I mean, all you got to do is just have faith in yourself. And just 100% just do it, just go. And I think like what Debbie was saying is that Debbie said that you only need like what if you got a student paying you, let's say $200-300 a month. A student could easily probably pay you $200 a month. 200. Maybe even $3. I'm not sure, but let's just say $200 a month. If you had like. If 10 students giving you $200 a month, that's $2,000. So if you have like 8 students, like Debbie said, you could basically replace your income. And to be honest with you, I think that, if down the road, if you just had the right website and everything set up correctly, you could probably just get all the students you need in your city. And that right there, you could just make enough money right there. Just by doing it organically and naturally in your area and just doing outreach. You could naturally get enough students to already make some decent income because me and Debbie really believe in proof of concept. And first you have to prove to yourself that you can do it by like making your first sale. Once you finally make that first sale with your website, with your business, then it's real. It's like, whoa, I can do this. So I definitely think with your connections and with your students you already have, I think you'd be starting off in a very good position to be doing very well. And like I said, one last thing I want to say is, I mean, you have everything that we showed you. You have all those skills those people have. I mean, the only difference is that they're just applying themselves. They're just doing it. And again, I can't do that business model that you can do, Dong. I don't have that skill with coding. I can't make videos about coding. I just, it would be embarrassing. It'd be awful. So, you know, I can't do. But you have that skill, right? So you can do that business. You can do that niche. You can do that. So, and it's a really cool thing to get involved into. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Being able to do certifications for students and being involved in, you know, colleges and schools and help people out make a difference. Yeah, I don't think you're too far away. If you apply yourself, like Debbie said, I don't think you're too far away from going to Europe to going to, what was the name of that city you want to go to? It's called
Liverpool.
Liverpool. Yeah, I really don't think you're that far away. Because to be honest with you, Dong, you know where the real hard work comes in? The real hard work for this whole thing? The real hard work is not doing the website. The hard work is not making YouTube videos. That's not the hard work.
Yeah.
The hard work is learning what? The skill.
Yeah, got skill.
Right. The skill, that's the hard work. That's the hard work. If you got that, everything else is easy. So, but anyways, I'm going to work on sending you the video. Like Debbie was saying, I'm going to get a couple hours of sleep, stay in my... Like
yeah, I got that.
Yeah, no, I'll send it to you right away. I'm only sleep for about 4 hours. I need to stay in my same sleep. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, but I'm going to stay in my same sleep schedule. But I'm going to work on it tomorrow. I'm going to try to get it to you, to get it done within the next 24 hours. I have to render other video for other of Debbie's clients and friends. I'm going to try, I should be able to get it to you tomorrow. Yeah. And then in the meantime, Dong, if you have any questions about anything pops in your head, this is what I recommend you do.
I'm sure I will have a lot of questions, but I will send to you guys.
Yeah, what I recommend you do is this. I recommend that for the next 30 minutes after the call, don't do anything. Just go for a walk and just think about everything that you just saw and what we talked about. Take 30 minutes and just take a break and just think, all right? And just think about different things, different ideas, and I want you to write things down on paper, okay? Take time, because there's a lot of stuff that I gave you, okay? And then after you do that, just take the whole day to think about everything and take notes. And then at any time, if you have any questions, just, send Debbie a message, and next time we have our follow-up, we'll go over it, okay?
Yes.
So I'm looking for a follow-up meeting. I'm trying to think when that would be. What do you think, Debbie? When do you think we should try to go about scheduling a follow-up with Dong?
Let's send Dong the video first, and then you watch it first, and then I will contact you.
Yes,
Thursday,
I agree that.
Friday.
Okay, let's do that. It sounds good.
And here's the thing also super important for Dong, okay? It's a very good that we have this conversation, because I also contacted some of our fellow colleagues, and then I heard that some members are leaving, right? Some members are leaving because the company have very bad financial problem and so on. And then they ask to cut salary or ask to not renewing the contract or something, which is even worse. So imagine, I'm not sure about your performance right now, but imagine if something's really bad happen. You never know, right? And then after that, sometimes they mention like, oh, we don't need Danang office anymore, or like we need to reduce Danang software engineers, okay? Or we need to cut costs or whatever, I don't know. But imagine if some things like that happen to you. You will feel hurt and you will feel really pissed off, and then after that you don't know what to do. That's the first option. The second option, the first option is already happened to so many our colleagues, right? So there is no guarantee that it's not gonna happen to you. I'm not sure, but
yes, you're right.
Correct.
Happen to anyone.
Yes, so that is the first one. The second one is that it's very good that you keep on telling me about your dream to become entrepreneur. and then I have these ideas, and we are actually in the same niche. Design and technology is like cross function each other, right?
Yes.
And imagine if you didn't take action, this is what gonna happen. You will just change job one after another, and then keep on investing your money onto real estate. But you will keep have to work to trade your time for money. And then to reach your financial goal, it probably take you longer time, 5 years, 10 years, I don't know.
Yep.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Do you get me?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So to be able to reach your goal, you need to have the system, have the framework, have the action plan, how to make it shorter.
Yes.
So if you want to make 20K, it's not gonna take you 20 years of experience, but it
I
can
got that.
do as soon as possible. Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for Tommy for spending a lot of time for Dong.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much, Tommy.
Yeah.
I
You're welcome.
appreciate that.
Yeah, and thank you, Dong, for keep on coming back and forth after the meeting to actually keep on learning about.
I know you are very busy.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, and sleep well, Thomas.
Yes. Yes. I will sleep very well. I'm gonna go lay down and pass out. That's so good. I'm glad that we finally had a chance to have the meeting, and it was well worth it. And I'm glad I had a chance to meet you, and I'm looking forward to following up with you in a few days. And you'll be getting that video shortly. And so yeah, so that's about it. So I guess we end the call. So how do we end the call now? How do we do this?
Yeah, so you can go now, Dong, and then I will send you the video once it's ready.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Have-
Dong. See you.
See you later, Dong.
If you come to Singapore, let me know. Okay?
Yes, sure.
Yes.
Okay, see you. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes. Until next time.